welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. My channel is all about beauty, skincare, natural hair and sometimes even weight loss. If that kind of content interests you, I really appreciate if you could show support to my channel by subscribing, and also make sure you hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out when I do post another video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. We have now hit 50k subscribers. You guys know how much I appreciate your support and thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be trying out cocoa butter as a moisturizer for 5 days. Cocoa butter was literally my main moisturizer when I was in primary school, and also back then it was extremely popular. I remember going to swim class and literally everyone would have cocoa butter. It got so bad that you literally had to put your name on your cocoa butter so that you didn't mix it up with other people's. Right now I'm of course a long way from primary school, but I wanted to try it out to see if it still gave me the effects as I used it back in the day. I am literally so excited to try this product out. I literally remember the smell of it. Even just imagining the smell is really nostalgic for me and just reminds me of when I was a child. From what I remember using cocoa butter as a child, it was extremely moisturizing and I would literally use it all over from head to toe. Cocoa butter is actually really high in fatty acids, which is why it's so good at hydrating and moisturizing the skin. It's also supposed to be really good at improving the elasticity. Let's try that again. It's also supposed to be really good at improving the elasticity of your skin. Now I can't remember where I heard this, but I heard that a lot of pregnant women use cocoa butter on their bellies so that they don't get stretch marks. Cocoa butter is also said to absorb really well into your skin, which doesn't leave your face feeling greasy. The cocoa butter that I'll be using today is by Palmer's, and this is the original solid formula. And wait for it guys, wait for it. I purchased this for £3.50 and I'm just like, what? If this works, if this is really good, I'm definitely adding this to my skin routine. £3.50? That is extremely affordable, especially because I purchased this on Amazon. If you was to go to a hair shop, which is what we call a beauty supply store in the UK, I'm guessing it would be a lot cheaper. I was just being lazy, that's why I purchased it on Amazon. But if this is as good as I remember it being, I'm definitely heading down to the hair shop to get this a lot cheaper. If you are subscribed to my channel, you already know I have struggled with eczema for such a long time. I am getting a few flare-ups and rashes here and there, but it's not half as bad as how it used to be. So guys, I'll be trying this out for 5 days and I'm going to be using this as my main moisturizer. I'm going to use it morning and night, but right now I'm going to remove my makeup and I'm going to quickly show you what my skin looks like today. Hey guys, so I just finished removing my makeup and I'm going to give you a quick close-up on what my skin looks like now. So let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. So as you can see, I have a pimple here. I also have a little bit of scarring here. This is what the side of my face looks like. This is where my hyperpigmentation is the worst. As you can see, I've had a little bit of a rash because I have a few scars of pimples there, but I've been doing really well in not scratching. And this is the other side, hyperpigmentation all along here. But apart from that, my skin is doing pretty well. I will insert a picture to show you what my skin used to look like, and my skin is doing so much better than how it was doing before. And right now I've literally just finished doing my skincare routine and I'm going to apply the cocoa butter to my face. So I have my cocoa butter here. Let's go ahead and open it. So I have used a little bit on my hand for some b-roll, but I haven't tried it on my face, and I love the smell of this stuff. So I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it to my face. Okay, yeah, we have finished applying the cocoa butter, and what I can say from now, I am extremely happy with that. It feels so soft. It's literally, I can't explain it, it's literally just melted into my skin. So right now it is the evening time. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for bed, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Bye. Hello everyone, so this is day 2 and it's also morning. So before I do my routine, I want to show you what my skin looks like. This is what my skin is looking like today. That pimple that I had there yesterday is kind of faded a little bit, but the real kicker is my skin still feels, it feels like I've literally applied the cocoa butter about 5 minutes ago. It still feels really soft. I'm genuinely impressed by this so far, and honestly I feel like this is going to be an amazing 5 days. So right now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and do my skin routine, and then I'll come back to you when it's time to moisturize my face with the cocoa butter. Okay, so that is the cocoa butter applied to my skin. I have 3 days left, and honestly I feel like I'm going to be using this way beyond 3 days. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 3 of me applying cocoa butter to my face. It's the evening time now and I just finished my skin routine. I'm definitely seeing a noticeable difference, especially on my nose, my cheek. My forehead feels so soft. As for my hyperpigmentation, it feels a little bit softer, but it's still there. But the main place where I feel the difference is on my forehead and on my cheek area. Now the tub that I actually have is quite small. I know you can get this in larger quantities, and I want to start applying this to my body instead of just my face. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase a larger one. But right now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my face once again. For day 3, I am very impressed, and I also feel like some of those dark spots on my forehead have cleared up just slightly, nothing major. The way my skin feels, the moisture on it feels absolutely just not the same of how it was before. My skin feels so much smoother. But yeah guys, I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye. Hello everyone, so this is day 4 of me applying cocoa butter to my face. Yesterday I did apply it to my hair as well. I did a flat twist on each side. But yeah, so today I need to show you what my skin looks like. It's currently morning time. So this is what my skin looks like today. Honestly, I see a huge difference in how moisturized my skin is. It also feels absolutely amazing. As you can see, my forehead doesn't look as dry. My cheeks look well moisturized. This is what my hyperpigmentation looks like. Honestly, it looks slightly lighter, but not a major difference. It's only been 4 days, so I wouldn't expect to see a great difference anyway. I'm absolutely amazed at how well this cocoa butter has been with my skin. So also I did a flat twist on my hair yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and take that down to see what my hair looks like today. So I don't have too much good luck with my hair ever. It just never ever comes out right, which is why I wear wigs most of the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this flat twist to see what my hair looks like. So as you can see, this is why I don't wear my hair out much. I don't have much luck with it. As you can see, the twist didn't really hold in. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because my hair is blown out. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. It does feel really moisturized, and as you can see from yesterday, there wasn't any shine at all. There is a little bit of shine across here, But yeah, so I'm gonna flat twist my hair back up and put my wig back on, but in the meantime I need to apply the cocoa butter to my face again. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my forehead area. So yeah, this is day 4 and this is what my skin looks like. Tomorrow will be the last day, so tomorrow I'll come with my pros and cons and also my before and after as well. Hello everyone, so this is day 5 of me applying the shea butter to my face. It is now evening time, but I did apply it in the morning. Now today I'm going to be giving you a before and after and some pros and cons of using cocoa butter. So honestly, my 5 days has been really eventful. Normally now I would start with the cons, but honestly I don't have any cons. Everything has been on point with this product. I really love the price point. It's really affordable. I love the way it gives my skin a really nice glow. My skin honestly feels baby soft, and just looking at the camera now I can really see my skin looks a little bit more vibrant than it did. I can see the ring light reflecting on my forehead, on my cheeks and on my nose, and that doesn't normally happen. My skin is normally dull, but even when I wake up in the morning it's like my skin has already been moisturized. It's absolutely amazing. So my pros are that it's extremely affordable, it's easy to find, and it works. But now guys, it's time to show you my before and after. I can definitely tell a difference in my skin. It looks a lot more supple and really naturally moisturized. If you see a difference, don't forget to comment down below. I will leave the link down below for you to purchase it yourself. Now it's my time to love you and leave you. Don't forget to click that bell notification so that you don't miss another video when I do post it up. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up so that I know you guys like this type of videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!